Imagine to be the 4,000 watch hour. I am uploading the wrong way on YouTube. Please, how would you be the 4,000 watch hour? No, it's not possible. So in this video, I'm teaching you how to upload your video the right way to get more views, more subscribers, and more watch hour, and a tip at the end of the video, like a bonus. So let's start. So this is how to upload the right way on YouTube. I'll be dividing it into 2 steps. So first step is you start by renaming your video after editing it. And how would you rename your file on your Android phone? You go to your file, click on videos, then pick the video you want to rename. Press the video down, then it highlights, and you click on more and pick rename. I would advise you to name your video the title you want to use on YouTube. And why should you name it? Because the title is what YouTube would use to register your video and suggest it to people when you have posted it online on YouTube platform. So we name it as what? How to upload the video the right way. So if you are using an iPhone, this is how to rename a video. You do what? You go to file, you will see the video you just edited in recent. So click on it down. It brings so many options. So click on rename and make sure the title is what you want to use on YouTube. So I have a question for you. Do you used to change the name of your video before uploading before now? I don't think so. So you have learned it now. So please include it in your next video. So let me know in the comment section if you used to change the video, yes or no. Let me know in the comment section. So second step, which is the most important. I know many of us upload on YouTube using the plus icon. This one. And it is very wrong. It's only meant for short video, not for long form content. So this is how you upload on YouTube the right way, so that it can help you to generate views. Yes. Go to your browser, Chrome, Safari, any browser of your choice, and search for studioyoutube.com. Don't worry, I'll add the link to the description in case you do not get it. So after you get to youtubestudio.com, click on continue to studio, not studio application. No. You wait for maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes because of network. Sure, you understanding? And in case you want, why are we using browser, not the application? See, the reason why we're using the browser is because studio.youtube, because it has more features for you to use on YouTube more than the application. And again, because it makes you enable more things for your video than using it on the application. So you click on create and pick upload videos. Then you select file. Then you click select file. You pick my file. Then pick videos. It will load for some times. Yes. Choose the video you just renamed. And after clicking it, it's loading for maybe 1 minute to 2 minutes. Then pick visibility, which is the last option, and pick on listed and save it. I will tell you why I said you should unlist it later. Then upload. And the main important reason for unlisting is so that it can keep uploading while we do most of the main important setting. Yes, because it's not just about posting alone. No, because there are so many things to add for your videos to get views. And I explained it in this video of 7 things to do before and after uploading your video. So I have a question for you again, which is the second question. Do you used to upload your video with your browser or the application before I taught you now? Yes or no? Let me know in the comment section. So this is the bonus tip that for those that are waiting now. And in case, unless I forget, in case it stopped uploading halfway, like you're uploading and it stopped counting, like the number isn't moving, something like this, don't panic. Don't even delete it. Yes, don't delete it. Yes, you go back to click on create. You click on that create and pick upload video. Then you select file. Then you pick my video. In another word, and pick videos. In other words, you are going to re-upload that same video without cancelling that one. So when you pick the video and you're already uploading it, there's signals are going that you want to continue from where you stop, and it continues. Can you see it? So no need for it to delete. You come next time. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to do what? to like, share. Sorry, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So kindly leave a comment if you have any question. See you in another video. See you in my next video, where I will explain what to add to your videos for maximum view. Bye. Massive okay. Test it 1, 2. Pass it. No baby. My glass has broken. The black glass.